Hey, what's up, students? Let's do the sheepdog tree. Choose the system of inequalities that best matches the given graph. So I tried to make this one kind of a layup for you. There's only two conditions of this system, two inequalities, and they're basically going to be the same equation. One of these, in this case, is 5x, and this one's a half x. How do I know that? Well, because it's the only option. So the boundary lines are the same choice. Look at that, 5x, half x, 5x, half x, 5x, half x, blah, blah, blah. So that part's easy, okay? I'm not going to test you on your boundary line skills. I'm going to test you on which symbols should be used. And by symbols, like, I mean these ones. What do I mean by these symbols? These symbols. Excuse me, I talked too fast. Which one of these goes with which one of these to graph what has been graphed? So basically, you just kind of isolate it one at a time. See here, so the half x boundary line looks like it's a solid line, and the top of it is shaded. So I'm guessing it's going to be y is greater than. So this line, I'm pretty sure, is y is greater than or equal to 1/2 x. Okay, so there we go. That will probably eliminate some of my choices. So there's y is greater than. So we're looking at u. Nope, not u. Oop, maybe u. And then not you. Okay, so we're down to two choices, not you and not you. All right, so now we have to figure out, is this less than 5x or is this less than or equal to 5x? Well, again, it's a solid line, and then the less than side is shaded. What do you mean less than side? Well, if you draw a quick little vertical line through it, it's very tough with these very steep slopes. There's the less than side. Vertical line, less than, greater than, less than, greater than. Looks like the less than side of the 5x boundary line is graphed, so it's going to be this symbol. So this line is actually y is less than or equal to 5x. So there it is right there. Gotcha. All right. You fail as well. All right, there you go. That's it. So again, the boundary lines themselves, the equations are not going to be hard to figure out. What you need to figure out is which of these symbols goes with the graphs. Remember, these symbols graph dashed lines. These ones graph solid lines. Less than usually will graph the less than side of a graph, and then the greater thans will usually graph the greater than side of a boundary line. So there you go. Greater than, above, less than, below. Don't think too hard, friends. You'll be okay. That's the sheep dog